On the Pathway supply shelf are these cards. I want you to go and find them and come back to me and we will talk about what you'll be doing with them. Alright, on these cards you see some multiplication problems, but one of the factors is missing from them. In the stack of these cards is the matching multiplication problem that has the factor that's missing. For example, 4 times something equals 12. Well, ask yourself, 4 times what equals 12? The answer would be 3, right? It'd be 3. So in this stack of cards, you are looking for the math problem that says 3 times 4 equals 12. You are looking for the equation where the factors are flip-flopped, the commutative property. So 4 times 3 equals 12. So you are in essence looking for a card that says 3 times 4 equals 12. And when you have found the match to 4 times 3 equals 12, you just lay them together and then you go on to the next problem. I want you to do that for all of the cards. Find the matching equation that shows that the factors are flipped, that shows the commutative property. And when you have gone through and matched all of the cards up, then you may put these cards back on the shelf and move on to the next step of your pathway.